We should be glad the following proposal, which was communicated by way of jeu d'esprit when the Gardiner peerage cause was exciting great attention, could be carried into execution. But religion, morality, and decency equally forbid it, supposing it were practicable. We see only one speedy and sure method of determining satisfactorily the knotty point in question, and we do not doubt that generations yet unborn will reverence our memory for our ingenuity in devising it. We recommend that a spacious building shall be immediately erected in a healthy site in the environs of this metropolis, which shall be surrounded by walls at least 100 feet in height, that all aeronauts shall be forbidden from approaching the same edifice upon pain of death, that no males, except the privileged, shall have admission, that it shall be put under the care of a proper number of virtuous matrons selected from nunneries, and that the whole shall be governed by monastic regulations. This superb establishment shall be nominated the Experimental Conception Hospital, in coincidence with its destination. Besides apartments for matrons, offices, etc., this institution shall contain separate rooms for 50 virgins, between the age of 14 and 45, and for 50 unmarried women, who may have borne children, between the age of 15 and 45. The directors of the hospital shall appoint 10 of the most distinguished, healthy physician-accoucheurs of London, between the age of 20 and 50, each of whom shall be destined to administer physic and consolation to a certain number of these females during a single nocturnal visit. The clerk of the hospital, one of the matrons, of course, shall keep an exact register of all operations, and the results of the experiment shall be freely communicated to the world for the advantage of society, and especially for the purpose of affording our good British Parliament sure data upon which they shall be able to construct precise and just laws with regard to the legitimacy or illegitimacy of all children born in these realms after the year 1830. Thus we allow time for the erection of the hospital, for the repetition of any of the experiments, and for the arrangement of the results. Lastly, we recommend, when the laws of legitimacy and succession shall be fixed, that the said Parliament shall grant us a reward of £20,000 sterling as some compensation for the suggestion of this important plan. We beg leave to recommend a moral and practicable experiment in place of the above. Let all medical men, especially just after marriage, carefully note the results of their private practice, i.e. the cases of their own wives, and in time a mass of really useful knowledge will be accumulated, from which general conclusions might be drawn. We need not add that it will be unnecessary to tell the patients' names.